Ever wondered why Sculpfun C1 Mini Laser Engraver changes crafting forever? Ever felt like your crafting tools slow you down instead of sparking creativity? Struggling with bulky, complex machines that make even small projects frustrating can drain your motivation. If trying to make custom gifts or detailed crafts feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Drop a comment if you've wrestled with slow, awkward engravers. It's time for a lighter, smarter solution. Missed opportunities, wasted materials, or uneven engravings can make you question your workflow. Imagine having a compact device that lets you take control, finish projects faster, and keep everything running smoothly without stress. The right tool transforms frustration into fun, creativity, and even profitability, without adding complexity to your home workshop. Meet the Sculpfun C1 3-watt Mini Portable Laser Engraver, a compact, plug-and-play powerhouse for creators. Weighing just 1.05 kilograms, it fits in a backpack, yet offers a 150 by 130 millimeters work area for keychains, phone cases, and gifts. The 3-watt diode laser delivers an ultra-fine 0.04 millimeters spot for razor-sharp details on wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Beginners love its pre-assembled setup, limit switches, and one-click homing. Professionals appreciate LightBurn and LaserGRBL compatibility for advanced design control. Its Smart X/Y scales guarantee perfect alignment, and batch processing lets you engrave multiple items at once. One maker shared how the C1 transformed weekend craft sessions. She completed personalized gifts in half the time without sacrificing quality. Bonus tip: pairing batch processing with LightBurn's preview feature ensures flawless engraving every time, even on complex patterns. Add the optional protective cover for enhanced safety, making this mini engraver suitable for all skill levels, from curious beginners to small business owners looking to add professional detail to their products. The Sculpfun C1 isn't just small, it's a creative game changer. Users rave about consistent, high-quality engraving that transforms DIY projects, gifts, and small business products. Experts highlight its precision and software versatility. LightBurn compatibility allows complex designs, while LaserGRBL ensures accessibility for beginners. Influencers report using the compact C1 for coasters, custom leather tags, and even tiny cosplay props, praising its reliability and portability. Industry analysts note that a plug-and-play setup with professional-grade precision fills a gap for hobbyists and small enterprises seeking accessible, high-quality laser engraving without bulky equipment. Real users confirm the results. The C1 made engraving on wood and leather so effortless that I could produce gifts for friends and clients without a hitch. Another shared, "I carried it to a craft night and completed personalized wine glasses in record time." Students, educators, and Etsy sellers alike love its safety features and manageable size. See why thousands can't stop talking about this tiny powerhouse. Which feature would save your day? Precision, portability, or batch processing? Comment below and share your projects. The community loves seeing them. Upgrade your crafting setup with the Sculpfun C1 Mini Laser Engraver and join makers who've elevated their DIY projects, gifts, and small businesses. With a 3-watt diode laser, 150 by 130 millimeters work area, ultra-fine detail, and full LightBurn compatibility, it's ready for precision engraving right out of the box. Click now to discover exclusive tips and unlock faster, more accurate results for every project. Don't just watch, grab your C1 and start creating professional quality designs today.